Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are breaking down hosting our website builder versus WordPress in 2025 to help you decide which one is better for your website. Whether you are starting a blog, business site or online store, choosing the right platform is a big deal. Let's compare them side by side in terms of ease of use, customization, features, pricing and performance. Let's get started. So hosting a website builder is a build for beginners. Uses a drag and drop interface, no coding needed. You can launch a site in a minute with AI tools and pre-made templates. Great for users who want fast result without a learning curve. On the other hand, the WordPress uh, is a bit more complex. It gives you more control, but there's a steeper learning curve. You will need to understand them, plugin and possibly some codes. So winner for beginners, hosting your website builders. So design and customization. With WordPress, customization is nearly unlimited, over 10,000 free and premium themes. You can tweak every part of your site using page builder like Elementor or Gutenberg. And also hostinger builder has fewer design options there, but simpler controls. You can still adjust fonts, layouts and images easily, but deep customization is more limited compared to WordPress. Winner for full control for WordPress. Features and flexibility. WordPress wins when it comes to power and flexibility. You can install over 60,000 plugins for SEO, security, e-commerce and more. Ideal for blogs and membership sites or complex e-commerce store. And the hostinger builder includes core features like blog contact from basic e-commerce SEO tools and even AI writing, but it's not built for highly complex functionality. So WordPress winner for advanced users. So here's a quick breakdown. Hosting a website builder pricing. It starts around 2.99 per dollar per month with hosting includes. And here you can see on the screen, no need to buy the themes or plugins separately, and super affordable all in one package. On the other hand, WordPress itself is free, but you will need to pay for hosting uh, premium themes and plugins. Hosting like with Hostinger and Bluehost can start around $3 to $5 per month. Winner for budget simplicity. Hostinger's website builders. Both platforms can perform well depending on how they are set up, and Hostinger builder it optimized out of the boxes, and fast loading, built-in SEO tools, mobile responsive. On the other hand, WordPress, but it depends on the hosting provider them and plugin choices. Then you will need to install caching plugin and optimize images yourself. So winners for hands off performance, Hostinger builder. So which one is better? Choose Hostinger website builder if you want speed, simplicity and an easy all-in-one solution, perfect for beginners, small business or portfolios. And choose WordPress if you want full controls, scalability and the ability to build almost anything. Great for advanced users, bloggers, and developers. And that's it. Hosting a website builder versus WordPress in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video and it helped to you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.